Today, we're looking into the story of Jonny Fairplay, one of the most controversial and unforgettable figures in reality television history. Best known for his time on Survivor, Fairplay became a household name for one of the most shocking lies ever told on TV. Years later, fans still ask, where is Jonny Fairplay now? Let's find out. Jonny Fairplay first rose to fame on Survivor Pearl Islands in 2003, where he pulled off the infamous dead grandmother lie, convincing fellow contestants that his grandmother had passed away to gain sympathy and advance in the game. The moment became one of the most talked about twists in reality TV history. After Survivor, Fairplay made appearances in other reality shows and media, including Survivor, Micronesia, and various entertainment programs. However, his career was often overshadowed by controversy, including legal issues and public incidents. Over time, he stepped away from mainstream television and shifted his focus. So, where is Jonny Fairplay now? As of now, Jonny Fairplay, John Dalton, is currently based in Virginia, where he works as a realtor and hosts the Reality After Show podcast. He hosts Survivor viewing parties nationwide with other legends and creates fan content on Cameo. He recently appeared on House of Villains and remains active in the reality TV scene. In addition, Fairplay has spent more time focusing on his personal life, including raising his family and maintaining a presence on social media. From being one of reality TV's biggest villains to carving out a quieter role in media, Jonny Fairplay's journey shows how even the most controversial figures can evolve over time. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories about reality stars and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.